Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to breed an ocelot. Okay, so first thing you're going to need is to find them in the jungle biome. Okay, so, and then usually you have to go fishing. You can steal, or you can just kill them from the water. But you have to find them when that's a way harder way. You craft a fishing rod with 2 sticks and 3 string. Also, let's just spawn them in so I don't have to go looking all over the world. Let's go. Good, 2 grown-up kitties. They're just like the other kitties. They'll see they're gonna come to you. And it's gonna show hearts, but you cannot tame ocelots, sadly. You have to do it quick because they'll just leave again. But there's a baby. She doesn't run away, apparently. Well, there she goes. She's running away now. Maybe it's because I'm on creative and she's not scared of me. But you can do it with that. Oh, yes. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, look at her tail went up when she killed. That's so cute. You're adorable. Also, I think they eat more than just that type of fish. I have no idea. But no matter what, do not feed them pufferfish. Poison. They eat cod and salmon. But I think it has to be raw. But if you were trying to trap an ocelot, then you can have a little, but I'm not feeding you too much. I don't want you to grow up. You're adorable. That was adorable. Well, bye, guys.